back. According to the World Health Organization, the number of people who experience depression went up by at least 25% worldwide since the start of this pandemic.
And for those who are struggling, all treatment options are not created equally. Tonight, ABC Action News reporter Rochelle Aline introduces us to a lesser-known, higher-tech option that's gaining steam.
They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. But for Bay Area nurse Talissa Schrader, the difference between these two photos can be summed up in about 20.
I felt much better. I felt like, wow, I have a drive to want to go for a walk in the neighborhood.
There before and after she used transcranial magnetic stimulation therapy, also known as TMS, to treat her depression and PTSD.
We've tried several different medications, and none of them were working. None of them were helping me feel better. I didn't have good days at all.
The FDA-approved therapy uses magnetic waves to stimulate a part of the frontal lobe in 20-minute sessions to help wake up the parts of your brain that regulate your mood.
We want to activate a sleepy brain, so we need to do it in consistency so we have a long-lasting effect over time.
That's Dr. Khalid Barwarshi, the founder of the Florida TMS Clinic in Wesley Chapel and Schrader's doctor. He tells ABC Action News that standard depression treatments don't work for a third of patients, but often they don't know about things like TMS.
In my opinion, it should be any psychiatric clinic should have that treatment option available. So a patient, it's not an informed consent for a patient if you don't know all your treatment options.
Though he adds that since the pandemic started and more people began struggling with depression, his practice has seen a rise in demand.
My practice was at one treatment chair when we opened before the pandemic, and now we have 4 treatment chairs.
The treatment is typically done 5 days a week for 6 weeks and then tapered off. And while every insurance provider has different rules on who qualifies, Schrader says looking into TMS if you feel like you need it is worth a try.
It sounds like TMS therapy in some ways kind of gave you your life back. Is that fair to say?
Yes, I would say it's fair to say.
In Tampa, Rochelle Aline, ABC Action News.
And to learn more about TMS therapy, head to our website, abcactionnews.com.